In this video, we will show you an example of Keling's geothermal heat pump application in red ginger greenhouses. In this project, Keling's geothermal heat pumps provide floor heating for the greenhouses. Each unit provides sufficient heating for 3 greenhouses, totaling 3,900 square meters of space. The heat pumps ensure an optimal temperature of 20 degrees Celsius is sustained at all times, supporting optimal ginger growth, especially on days with severe weather conditions. With Keling's heat pumps, farmers can now grow and harvest ginger all year round, even during cold winter times. For more information, please visit us at kelingairconditioner.com.